Alright guys, let's move to question number 5. P is the product of positive integers from 2 through 15 if a, b, c, d, e, f are positive integers such that p is equal to 2 power a, 3 power b, 5 power c, 7 power d, 11 power e, 13 power f. What a plus b plus c plus d plus e plus f equal to which one? This is a problem solving question. You have to choose one of these options. So again a simple concept of prime factorization. So p is equal to 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. Okay, so basically you just prime factorize it. So 2 will write it as 2 only, 3 is again 3 only, 4 will be what? 2 power 2, so we'll put it over there, 5 again as 5, 6 will write as 2 into 3, 7 is a prime number, 8 is 2 power 3, 9 is 3 power 2, 10 is 5 into 2, 11 as it is, 12 is 2 power 2 which is 4 and into 3, 13 will write it as it is, it's a prime number, 14 will be 7 into 2, 15 will be 3 into 5. Okay, now combine all the 2's. So 2, here you have a power 1, right? So let's count all the 2's. Okay, so here you have 1, here you have 1, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9. Right, I hope I have counted all. Let's check again. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10 and 10 plus 1 11. I missed somewhere earlier, so it's 2 power 11. Let's now count the 3's. So here you have 1 1 so here you have 1 1, so 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus 1 6. Let's count the 5's. So here you have 1 5, here you have one more 5, so 2 5's and then one more 5 over here, 3 5's. Let's count the next one will be 7. So here you have 1 7 and here you have 1 7, so 2 7's. 11, 1 11 and lastly 1 13. So now we can compare it with that and we get A is 11, B is 6, C is 3, D is 2, E is 1 and F is 1. Let's add it all. So 11 plus 6 17, 17 plus 3 20, 20 plus 2 22, 22 plus 1 23, 23 plus 1 24. E is the answer. Right, so but now you must be wondering, this is going to take a lot of time. How is there a way to do it faster? So now I'll show you the trick to do it little faster. So instead of doing all this, we use one strategy. The strategy is this. Now suppose you're basically, if you look at it, when I multiply 2 to 15, it is nothing but 15 factorial. Okay, and there is a shortcut way of finding the power of a prime number. So I want, let's say, power of 2. So what I do is, you start with that number, start dividing by 2. Okay, so 15 by 2 you get 7 point something, just take the integer value. Next again divide by 2 because it will give you the next power of 2, like because of the force. So if I divide it by 2, so I'll get 3.5, so just take 3. Next again divide by 2, so you'll get 3 upon 2 which will be 1 point something, just take 1. And 1 divided by 2 will be 0 point something, so you don't need to count that. So just add these 3 and you get the power of 2 as 11. So if you remember earlier also we got that. Now power of 3. So let's start dividing by 3. So you'll get 5. Then 5 divided by 3 you'll get 1 point something. So just take 1. and that's it, right? So 5 plus 1, 6, so 3 power 6. Next one, 5, so 15 upon 5, which will be 3, and now here I won't get 3 by 5 will be 0 point something, I won't get, so I just have 3 5s. Next one, 7, 15 by 7, I'll get 2, and that's it, because after that I won't get anything, so 7 power 2. Next 11, I'll get 1, because 15 by 11 will be 1, and 13 I'll also get 1. So same answer I'll get, 11 plus 6, 17, 20, 22, 23, 24. E is the answer. So this is the shortcut to find the power of a prime number in a factorial. Okay, hope you got that concept.